So exact 1 year ago, I bought 2 acres of rice field land in Chendao, Thailand. So where is Chendao exactly? Many of you have probably heard of Chiang Mai. It's here. If you drive 1.5 hours north, you will reach Chendao, the mountain city. And here is my farm, surrounded by the mountains. So in today's video, I want to do a recap about what have I done about my farm in this past 1 year. In this year, I've turned from a high-paid career woman into a proper farm girl. From someone who'd hurt herself by hanging just a mirror, to someone who's capable of doing not everything, but many things on her own. The land turned from yellow to green. The weather was really cold, then really hot. My animal gang grew from 1 cat, 1 dog, to 3 cats, 3 dogs, and 1 hedgehog now. Just a couple days ago, when I was editing this video, a bird flew into my house. Is it gonna be my 8th pet? So how did all these happen? It all started 1 year ago. August 2021. After spending 2 months searching for land, finally we found it. There was nothing but rice on it. November 2021. After 4 months waiting, finally rice turned yellow. Time for harvesting. I can still feel the warmth when I first held the rice harvested from my own land. I collected some and packed them. Went to a Christmas market to sell my rice. January 2022. First, I built a road. Then I started to build the first 2 bamboo houses. A 2 floors big house with bedroom, working area, and a kitchen, and a small one with toilet and shower. Also January, I started my YouTube channel. When the house was first done, I had nothing. I mean, literally nothing, not even a wall. Then I started to upgrade day by day, adding furnitures, electronics, building fence, bridge, planting trees, many trees. April 2022, raining season came. My land was flooded. My house was leaking. My car was stuck. So I started to fill up the land, make parking space, add trench, pond, water is so blue, and connect them. The land was becoming greener every day. I started to have more and more uninvited guests. May 2022, I started to build the 3rd bamboo house as a guest house. June, my birthday month. I've turned 32. The next day, I put 200 fishes in the pond and first time planted lotuses by myself. Also June, I hired a free fab construction team in Chiang Mai to build a pet house for my cats and my hedgehog.
Do you like it? Huh? Here's gonna be.
Then August again. A new round of rice planting is starting now. Just like all things in life, everything is in its own loop. You can't tell where is the beginning and the ending. Whenever I try to understand my project in this way, I feel less anxious and stressed about all the problems that I haven't fixed yet. My farm is like a living organism. It is growing in its own pace. Instead of leading it, I choose to listen and follow. So what's my plan for the 2nd year? First, I'm planning on a glamping area right now, right next to the pond. I've ordered 4 glamping tents from China. I need to build platforms for the tents and infrastructures for the camping area. Once the rainy season is done, rice being harvested again, I will start a new round of house building to offer more accommodation options for my guests. Furthermore, I will build cafe with co-working space, farm to table restaurant. But this time, I hope I'm not building everything alone. So how about I say I will rent out my land for you for free, and you can run whatever business you want. How about a bakery, an art studio, a home restaurant, a bar? Well, email me here if you have any good ideas and if you want to be my partner.